So you have a 9 to 5 job, you work every day from Monday to Friday, but then your weekends are always dry, you don't do anything, but you still want extra money. You want to start a side business that can be putting money into your pocket every single weekend. Now listen to this video and watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you 5 businesses that you can start now and do it every single weekend in order to put that extra money into your pocket, in order to feel more happy, to feel more joy. You know one thing about money, when you start making extra money for yourself, it's happy, it makes you feel happy, right? So this is what you want, and then you need to watch this video all the way through so you can know exactly any of those businesses that you can start for yourself and make extra income. Hi everyone, my name is Ifunanya Nwaigwe and you're welcome to my channel where we talk about business, finance, marketing and everything AI, how to use artificial intelligence to improve in your business. So today we are going to be discussing 5 businesses that you can start now on the side without quitting your 9 to 5. Okay, so if you're just coming across my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. This channel is growing. We are about hitting 500 subscribers, so make sure that you are subscribing so that we can get up to 500 subscribers before the end of this year. All right, thank you so much. Now this particular video was inspired by a woman I met last weekend. She sells soy milk, zobo drinks and even kunu. Now she sells this in the market and send it to some homes and offices. She does this every Saturday. I began to ask her some questions why she is doing this. She said this is her side business, that she has a 9 to 5 job that she do from Monday to Friday, but then she wants some extra income. That is why she's doing this zobo drink, these homemade drinks on Saturdays and then sell. I mean, she inspired me to do this video. I said to myself, if this woman can do this, then there are other millions of people out there looking for side businesses to do apart from their 9 to 5 job. So I'm sharing these businesses with you so that you can pick any of those things and then start doing your own business. I mean, it wouldn't hurt for you to make extra incomes in weekend, right? So you don't want to sit around with dry pockets on weekends and doing nothing. You want extra money, you want extra income, right? So make sure you watch this video all the way through. The first side business is homemade drinks. Like I told you, this woman inspired me to do this video, so her business is going to come first. She make homemade drinks. She do zobo drinks. She make and sell zobo drinks. She make and sells kunu and soy milk. These are the 3 drinks that she does or she sells every single weekend. So it's a lucrative business. You can start it. You can go to the local market and buy all the ingredients needs in making zobo. I mean, hibiscus flower, right? And then you buy the ginger, garlic, pineapple, all those things that they use in making zobo. You can also go as far as putting in soy milk there. It is a wonderful business that you can start for yourself, and you'll be surprised at the amount that you'll be making at the end of your sales. Yes, you can start with as little as 10,000 naira and then be making up to 15,000 naira after your sales. It will blow your mind. I mean, this is a good business that you can start on the side. So dive into that. Even if you don't know how to make a zobo drink, if you don't know how to make soy drink, check for tutorials on this YouTube. You can find thousands of them, and then you dive into that business. Okay, now let's talk about the second business, which is car washing business. This is mainly for the male folks. No, not really for the male. In fact, every gender can do this. I know there was a time I traveled to Delta State and I saw a particular girl. She owns a car washing service center, and I was blown by that. She doesn't just own it, she is the one washing the cars. Okay, so a lot of people come into her service centers to wash their cars. So if you can start that on the side, it's not a must that you can start with having your own center. You can look for 1 or 2 persons in your vicinity, in your area, in your street, in your community. Tell them that you wash cars for weekends, okay? And then you can help them to wash their cars. They can pay you 1,000, 2,000. Then you help them wash their cars, right? This can be a side business that you do every single weekend, just to have some money into your pocket. When you wash up to 4 to 5 cars in a day, that should be about 10,000 naira, right? So you see, you are fueled, you have the money there, you can flex yourself for the weekend. So it is amazing when you dive into these businesses that are making you extra income. during the weekend. Okay, now let's talk about the third business, which is data reselling and recharge card business. Who doesn't like airtime? Who doesn't want data? Who doesn't love airtime? Who doesn't want to be online these days? I mean, everybody wants to be online, right? So as you're watching me now, you are burning data. Yes, so you bought data, you bought it from somebody. That person made money from you. All right, so if you want to dive into a side business, this is a very good business. You can be selling recharge cards to people, you can be selling data to people, and then make that extra income for yourself. It is amazing. It's going to blow your mind how much money this is. There is money in communication. Even I have a sister who is working with MTN. There is money in communication when you buy these things in bulk and then resell. I have a friend as well who designed her website. Like, she has her own website designed, beautifully designed, for people to go in there, buy recharge card for themselves and also data for themselves. So you see, it's a good and lucrative business that you can start. I'm not telling you to build a website. No, you don't have to build your own website. You can do it with your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram. You can resell it anywhere. I mean, we are on social media now, okay? You don't need a website. Your WhatsApp is enough, your Facebook is enough for you to sell data and recharge card. So the fourth business I have for you is small shop business. It is not a must you will have a bakery before you start selling small shops. As long as you have that skill to make beautiful, sumptuous, yummy small shops like puff, like samosa and spring rolls. These are the three main small shops that we have in Nigeria. Okay, you can be selling it as snack, or you can even get yourself booked for an event. A lot of people do this in occasions now, birthday occasions, wedding occasions, ceremonies, anything at all. There are small shops for events now, so you can get yourself booked as long as you are making sweet and sumptuous samosa, spring roll, and even puff. You will get booked. Okay, even if you don't get booked every single weekend, you can be making it and sell to people. It is also snack, so you are not losing. It's a win-win for you. All right, so get into that business, start selling, and then make extra income. You can start with as little as 10,000 naira. Just buy all those things, buy flour, buy all those things, and then make it for yourself. You will make an extra money with that. All right, so that is the fourth one. The fifth one is the laundry service business. Now, if you have been watching my video for the longest time, you know I also always reserve the last for the best. Okay, so laundry service business is a good lucrative business. I just have to tell you a story now. During the lockdown in 2020, I was in Abuja. I was locked down in Abuja, and the compound that I used to stay then, there's this Aboki man that he's the gate man of the compound, but then he's also a launderer. He's helping people to wash clothes, and each clothes was costing 500 naira as at then. I mean, each clothes, any clothes at all, 500 naira. And this man washes about 20 to 25 clothes every single day. He will wash them, he will iron them, he will package them, and then those family will come and pick their clothes. You can times it, do the mathematics yourself now. Check it out. Okay, so if you times it, he's making about over 20 to, he's making about 10,000 naira every single day. So this is a good lucrative business if you can start it, if you can do it. And some people even want an expressway. So those people that want express, you can charge them more. All right, so go into that business, start washing people's clothes, help them to do this every single weekend, tell them that you are doing it and you do it perfectly, package it to the point that they will always come back to you. You know one thing about business, if your services is not good, they will not come back to you. If your services is good, they will keep coming back to you. So be giving that good customer service. People will always come back to you every single time. So laundry business is a good business. Just dive into that, make your money, and then grow. All right, so these are the 5 businesses I have that you can start on the side every single weekend without terminating your 9-to-5 job. Yes, you want that income, you want that salary every single month. Okay, so don't terminate your job. Start this side business. Maybe as time goes on, if the business is now demanding your presence, you can quit your 9-to-5. I am not an advocate of you quitting your 9-to-5 just to start a side business. No, start that business. Once it's now time demanding that you must be there every single day, then you can quit your 9-to-5. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video this far. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Get us to 500 subscribers. We are above 300 now, and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful that you are here.